Hey guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I will show you a quick unboxing of Aigo DR12 fans. So I recently purchased Aigo DR12 5-in-1 bundle from AliExpress and I paid around $40 for these fans. You can buy these fans for as low as $35. So without wasting any further time, let's unbox this. In the box you will get a brand new Aigo DR12 fan controller. And this controller comes with a remote, so you can change colors easily using this remote control. And you can also change the fan speed using this remote control. There are some minor changes in the fan controller and the remote control. In the 5-in-1 bundle you will get 5 Aigo DR12 fans. Fan design is slightly changed. Also the build quality is improved. The fan blades are now white in color and they are less transparent as compared to the last year's fans. Also the construction of the fan is solid and the blade quality and blade thickness is also improved. Fans have a decent wire length and you can install these fans in any big case like Corsair Obsidian 750D. So I have tested these fans and I had no issue while installing these fans into the case. Another plus point is that these fans also have rubber vibration dampeners on all corners of the fans and on both sides of the fans. Blade profile is slightly changed and these fans also have the cutout on blades similar to the last year's fans. The newly designed controller also have a reset switch header. You can connect your CPU case reset button to this. The new controller can support up to 8 RGB fans and 2 light strips. You cannot use this fan controller with your old RGB fans. You have to buy new fans with this fan controller. This fan controller also comes with magnets on the back, so it's easier to install on the case, and it also comes with the same old Molex connector for power. These fans have the same fan speed as the last year's fans, so it's 1200 rpm plus minus 10%. So fans can hit around 1300 rpm or 1100 rpm depending on the conditions. So I will test these fans with the same candle test and we will see how many candles these fans can blow off. The installation of these fans is very simple. Just plug in all the cables from the fans to the fan controller and start from one. You can connect up to 8 RGB fans. Then connect the Molex connector to the 12 volt cable of the power supply. Make sure to put a battery in the remote controller and then you are good to go. You can change colors from the remote controller and you can also change modes and speeds of the fans. You can also turn on and turn off the lights using the remote control. These fans did great in the speed test. At high fan speed, only 1 out of 4 candles survived, and at low fan speed, 3 out of 4 candles survived. So if you are planning to use these fans on a liquid cooler radiator, it's not a bad idea. Although at low fan speed, you will get high temperatures using a liquid cooler. So another thing, I was able to use these fans with Aigo DR12 Pro fan controller and I plugged both fans into the fan controller and I was able to run both fans using the same fan controller. So the fan connector is changed and now you can plug in DR12 fans into DR12 fan controller. After installing 6 fans into my CPU case, I was getting temperatures in the late 60s and early 70s. Before installing these fans, I was getting around 75 degrees Celsius temperatures, but after installing the fans, I was getting around 65 and 66 degrees Celsius. So the newer Aigo DR12 fans have better design, better fan speed and more color modes. And if you're planning to buy cheap RGB fans next year, make sure to buy Aigo DR12 fans. You can buy these fans from AliExpress or Amazon. I will put the link in description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please make sure to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.